Good morning, children. Good day to you all. Hope all are fine at home, right? Okay. Today we are going to start our English session. That is a poem. So let us we see what is that poem all about. Yes. Here is one poem for you. It's all about a mother. So everyone love mother, right? Yes. We all love mother who take care and who will bring all the things for you, who will cook food for you. Yes, it's all about mother. Mother will take care of us, right? So here is also a beautiful poem about mother's love and care. The chapter name is To Mother. What is the chapter name? To Mother. Here I'm going to recite this poem. Just see, if you have your textbooks, you can see from the textbook. Okay, shall we start? Every mouse and bumblebee, every bird up in a tree. What is that? Every mouse and bumblebee, every bird up in a tree. Here are some mouse and some bees are there, and birds are in the tree, in a nest. You can see in the picture. Every caterpillar and ladybug. Bugs, you know about the bugs. In that, ladybugs. Every caterpillar and ladybug loves to feel her mother's hug. See here, it uh, it's it's going to hug her daughter. So in such a way, every caterpillar and ladybug loves to feel her mother's hug. Here, mother is hugging her children. Hugging means taking close to them. So even our mothers also hug for us, no? So in this way, here also some caterpillar ladybugs are feels the love of their mothers. Okay, fine. Every bear so fat and funny. You see bears are fat, right? They are huge animals. So every bear so fat and funny loves his mother more than honey. Generally what happens now, bears like honey very much. Even here, every bear is loving his mother more than honey. More than honey, bears are loving their mothers. Okay, just a woodland creatures do. Just as woodland creatures. Woodland, here woodland in the sense it's a kind of forest. Woodland means forest. And creatures means animals, some kind of animals do. What happens here? All the animals which are present in the forest, they are doing in such a way that they are loving their mothers. Mother, that is how I love you. Here, the poet is reciting the poem for you in such a way. All the animals which are loving their mothers, in the same way, I am also loving you. He is telling to his mother. So that mother, that's how I too love you. We all we all also love our mothers, right? So in such a way, here the poem is all about a mother. Shall I go once again with the poem? Yes, here it is. Every mouse and bumblebee, every bird up in a tree, every caterpillar and ladybug loves to feel her mother's hug. Here, what are the things are feeling the mother's hug? Mouse, bumblebee, birds, caterpillar, ladybug. All these are feeling their mother's hug. And every bear, so fat and funny, loves his mother more than honey. Here, the bears are loving their mothers more than honey. Just as woodland creatures do, just how the all above creatures are doing. do, mother, that's how I love you. So in this way, whatever the above creatures are doing about to feel their mother's love, in the same way, here poet is also loving his mother in such a way. Is it not beautiful poem about mother's love and care? Yes, it's all about that. So here we stop this, and I'll give you some keywords on this poem, and do the worksheet well. Okay, then fine. That's all about today. End of the session. Meet you in the next class.